Falls City Middle School. It is Thursday, August 17th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, everybody, welcome back. First day is over. We're back on our normal bell schedule. We do have homeroom today, just so you know. Sixth graders, welcome. I hope your first day went okay. We didn't have any issues as far as I know. It was smooth sailing. Have a few schedules to change. But other than that, I think we are rocking and rolling with the school year. Let's see. So announcements for today. Lunch, as you all really care about, is popcorn chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans, and pears. And tomorrow it's the Miss Brown special, cheeseburger, sweet potato, fries, broccoli, and peaches. So we're getting off to a good start. Okay, a couple announcements from me. Number one, remember, 7th and 8th grade, you know this, 6th grade, no touching. There's no hugging, no hand holding, no touching, all right, in our hallways and in class. Why, you may say? Because what is one person's welcome touch is another's bad touch. So it's just easier for middle school kids to keep your hands to yourself. So please, no touching in the hallways or in the stairways. Remember, I have cameras everywhere, and we will ask you to refrain from that in our hallways for a lot of reasons. So that's number one. Number two, hygiene. You guys smell bad. All right, I'm just going to tell you. Know what happened over the summer? I smelled it at middle school open house. We have to shower every day, okay? Use deodorant, use whatever you got to do, but it was ripe, all right? So parents, if you're watching this, make sure you're washing their clothes and not leaving them in the washer, because some of the worst smells we get are clothes that are washed incorrectly. And while some of our 8th graders may be washing their clothes, that's mostly 6th and 7th grade. So parents, if you're watching, it makes you a target for bullying, and we don't want that. So please, 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 students and parents, take care of hygiene, all right? That is so important at this age. And I know in elementary school, you guys don't smell very bad, but when you get to middle school, you start to smell pretty ripe. So let's take care of that for the good of everyone. Okay. Next announcement, let's see here. NJHS will not meet this week since it is a short week. So that's from Miss Boatwright. Check your email, NJHS members, to see when you will meet. So that's from Miss Boatwright. So make sure you're checking your email. Thanks to Hope Squad for the chalk art and welcoming everybody back to school. Members that gave their time were Jade Romo, Bristol Titus, Jocelyn Banger, Liv Buckminster, Leah Goff, Martine Erazeri, Madison Johansson, Nolan Nicholson, Carson Simpson, and Joa Anderson. All right, so great job, guys. Thank you for taking your time out of your summer to come in and welcome everybody back. Our AOK of the day is going out to the NJHS students who helped with Family Fair Open House. These students volunteered time this summer to serve our community hot dogs and drinks and help clean up. They were responsible, organized, respectful, and had positive attitudes. Thanks for your leadership. This AOK goes out to Addie Daniels, Jocelyn Banger, Caroline Powell, Maddie Johansson, and Caitlin Rod. Thank you for your work on that, ladies. And now it is time for our words of wisdom. Welcome back to our halls of education. Education is a good word, contrary to popular belief. It doesn't mean drilling holes in the heads of unsuspecting students and pouring in math, science, and social studies. To educate means, in fact, to draw out, literally to draw out into the light. So the question becomes, what enlightened possibilities can draw out of those minds of yours this school year? Let's begin the school year with a quote from a man known by the emperors of ancient China as the teacher of all teachers, Confucius. Even when walking in a party of no more than 3, I can always be certain of learning from those I am with. There will be good qualities that I can select for imitation and bad ones that will teach me what requires correction in myself. So as you move through our fine halls of learning today, notice the behavior of others and make a choice. Which behavior will you imitate and which behavior will you correct yourself? With something to think about, it's Mr. Banger. Make it a great day or not, that choice is always yours. Remember, shower, deodorant every day, kids. No touching in the hallways. But other than that, we're rocking and rolling. Great job, and I will see you in the hallways. Have a wonderful Thursday.